I mentioned this earlier in one of the videos about how to get your ebook or your PDF file into a paperback and get it onto Amazon.com, BarnesandNoble.com, Books A Million, and all the other book retailing sites. What you want to do is you want to go to lightningsource.com and create yourself an account there and start uploading your books. Basically, the process is, if you're not that familiar with print on demand, this is how it works. You don't stock anything. Nobody really stocks anything. Everything is printed on a as you need basis. Goes you the publisher, you upload your files up to Lightning Source. They in turn put it out into the distribution channels, which includes like Amazon, Barnes and Noble, like I just mentioned, and it ultimately the book buyer buys it. Lightning Source prints it as needed, so nobody ever gets stock. Although if you do have a good title, and I have a couple in Amazon that Amazon does stock on a regular basis, they'll order like 20 or 30 at a time, so that they don't have to keep reordering from Lightning Source. So what you'll want to do is click on Open New Account. It's really pretty simple. You're going to be the publisher, so you're going to go to the New Accounts page. And everything's pretty straightforward. You get a name and password, contact information, book categories, a couple of general things about your business that you're going to do. But and the royalties with Lightning Source are a lot better than, there's a lot of talk like about CreateSpace. Lightning Source, you actually set your own royalties. You set the discount rate. And it's usually set anywhere between 25% and 50%. I generally do 25%. So that means 75% of the price of a book, minus the print charge, comes to me. So a typical 120-page, 5x8 black and white interior with a color cover paperback at a 25% discount rate at $20 a book, that nets you $15. And then minus a print charge of about $2.50 per book, nets you $12.50 per book. Now CreateSpace, they have a little royalty calculator here. I punched it in. List price is 20 bucks. Black and white interior, color cover, 5x8, 120 pages. Their Amazon royalty, you get an $8.10 royalty. If you sign up for the Pro, which there's extra costs involved up front, but then you get the expanded distribution, but they take 60% of the expanded distribution and 40% with Amazon.com. So the money's, is it a lot of money? Well, $8, so you're talking $4.50 roughly per book. But that can easily add up, because I've been using Lightning Source since, it's been about 5 years now. I think right 2005 I published my first book with them. And the books that I've published with Lightning Source back in 2005, all the way up now to 2010, have been continually earning me royalties without doing anything, except for the initial setup. So the money, the $4.50 per book, over a year's time, a couple of years' time, 5 years' time, 10 years' time, can really add up to be a lot of money. So I can't, in these short videos, I can't really go through the whole process of uploading. You have all the PDFs that you downloaded with the videos. There's a whole folder there with Lightning Source information, how to set up a title, how to set up a cover. They give you cover and spine calculations that you could do online and print. There's all the requirements you need for your digital files. Oh, and also, even if you don't have digital files, you can also, they also have the capability of scanning hard copies and creating ebooks out of hard copies. So go ahead, go over there, look around. They got a lot of stuff you have already. You have all the guides already that you need to get started. There's a lot of information, but once you do the first one, the next one's a lot easier. So yeah, lightningsource.com. You're going to like these guys.